as you have touched the topic of Dajjal, I would like to talk about a person who existed at the time of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who was a Jewish and later accepted Islam, and other companions were afraid of him being a suspicion of being a Dajjal, and he said, "I'm not a Dajjal because."
Ibn Sayyad.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your question?
So I wanted to know what was his stance, because Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam didn't.
He never said, he never claimed to be Dajjal. Never claimed to be Dajjal. There's no evidence he ever claimed to be Dajjal. But Dajjal will say. Of course, he's not going to speak in English. He's speaking Arabic. He will say, Ana al-Masih. I'm not aware about Ibn Sayyad ever claiming to be the Messiah. Have you got the evidence?
No, I'm not talking about it. But
Yeah.
One other Sahaba said, I don't mind being called by that name.
He could not have been Dajjal, number one, because he never claimed to be the Messiah. Number two, Dajjal was sent with a mission of impersonating the true Messiah. That is why he's known as Al-Masih al-Dajjal. Ibn Sayyad never sought to impersonate Nabi Isa alayhi salam. So we can dismiss this without much further ado. Yes.